Welcome back, traders. This is another look at the charts report. Today we will be looking at four instruments. First is Euro USD, second is Gbp USD, third is Euro GBP, and fourth is Euro JPY. As we said, Euro USD goes first. For our chart, the currency pair has benefited greatly from the weakening of the greenback. Euro USD has been moving higher in the past 3 consecutive weeks and has recently tested levels previously seen in March. In this case, the R1 120.70 resistance level represents the latest level tested to the upside. If the buying momentum is to continue, the R2 121.05 barrier could be a target for the bulls, just like it was back in March when it was tested but not breached. Even higher, the R3 121.55 resistance level could also be reached, as this was a significant line back in February. In the opposite direction, the S1 119.95 support level could be the first target for the bears. If the price action is reversed to a selling trend, then lower, the S2 119.45 support level could be tested as it was on the 19th of April. Even lower, the round number S3 119 level could be the lowest support for the bears in a strong selling scenario. Please note that on the 19th of April, the currency pair broke outside the range it was trading within for most of the previous April, which again confirmed the bullish demand is stronger for the time being. Even though the RSI indicator has fallen from the 70 level recently, it still remains above 50, implying the buying positions exceed at the moment. Finally, on Friday, the 23rd of April, the preliminary Eurozone and US manufacturing and services PMIs will be released, and volatility may increase for the currency pair. Moving now to Gbp USD 4-hour chart. On the 19th of April, cable performed an impressive move higher, reaching a new monthly high price, which is currently noted as RR2 1.3970 resistance level. The price action continued to move higher, reaching RR3 140.05 line. The price action then corrected lower, and in the latest sessions, a resistance nearby the R1 139.45 line has been formed. If some profit taking prevails, then cable may fall to test the S1 138.85 support level, just as the case on the 21st of April when it was briefly tested. Other levels we have noted in a possible continuous selling scenario is the S2 138.50 support hurdle, and even lower, the S3 138.15 line. The RSI indicator below our chart seems to stabilize nearby 50, which can be sending uncertain signals on a 4-hour basis. Traders should be aware that on Friday the 23rd, the UK consumer confidence for April, the retail sales figure for March, and the preliminary manufacturing and services PMIs for April will be released, adding up for a rather busy day for GBP traders as per the economic calendar. Next, we have Euro GBP 4-hour chart. The currency pair had shown signs of weakness since the 16th of April when it initially tested our now resistance levels R2 0.8715 and R1 0.8665. The selling persisted and followed up until the 19th when our S1 0.8590 support level was briefly reached. Other levels we have in mind if the sellers are to dominate the scene are the S2 0.8545 support level and the S3 0.8485 barrier, which was tested various times from the 5th to the 6th of April but did not break. Upwards, a level we have not mentioned is the R3 0.8750 line that has not been tested since February and could become a target if the buying momentum is extended in the next days. During the past 2 months, the currency pair has traded in a sideways range between the R2 0.8715 resistance level and the S3 0.8485 barrier, and in our opinion, these could be make or break levels for the future trend of the instrument. Once again, we would like to note the data coming out on the 23rd of April for the Eurozone and the UK, as volatility may increase and attention may be required. Moving to our final chart, Euro JPY 4-hour chart. Now, in the recent week, the currency pair has shown signs of strengthening and subsequent signs of weakening. On the 20th of April, an abrupt buying momentum sent EUR/JPY breaching our now R1 130.20, R2 130.60 resistance levels, and even tested the R3 130.90 barrier that was last seen in October 2018. As this was a multi-year high for the currency pair, some profit taking was inevitable, and the correction lower to levels seen in the past days was performed. In this downward movement, the S1 129.70 support level was briefly reached. The S1 level was tested a number of times since the 31st of March but was not breached, proving it is a rather solid level and could be considered as important for traders. Lower than that, the S2 129.45 hurdle could be found interesting, while at the end our S3 129.10 resistance hurdle could be tested if the sellers are increased. The Japanese inflation data for March and the Jibun manufacturing figure for April will be released on the 23rd of April and could be considered important by traders if they are considering EUR/JPY for trading. Now, those were the charts for this report. We hope you find this information helpful for your trading. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Until the very next time, traders, enjoy solid trading.